Hello at welcome ulit sa kusina ni Mrs. O. And just like the intro from before, this is still all in one night. Kasi nga tonight, I'm preparing 6 recipes and we have about 6 or 8 guests coming over. So after the 3 appetizers, meron na tayong, of course, we're gonna make some salad, we're gonna make some pasta, but particularly, I wanted to experiment on this one. This is actually just fried chicken. Alam mo parang American style or Western style na fried chicken na sobrang breading siya na crispy. So we're gonna do that. And then, I just discovered this. Diyan ka lang This. So I discovered, I got this for Christmas. Magki-Christmas na ulit. Hindi pa naman siya expired. I think it's still good until, I'm being honest 19 November 2025. Pero Christmas ko pa ito nakuha. So can you imagine that? So but anyway, so this one, I'm gonna be mixing it with honey. Tapos I'll drizzle it over the fried chicken. So today, we're making the fried chicken with gravy. Actually, ang hirap nito, no? As I'm preparing, I'm actually rushing. Parang tutok, ganyan. Ang challenging pala nito. So basically, gagawin ko lang muna yung brine, no? So basically, this is sour cream and milk. What am I trying to do here? Di ba alam mo yung buttermilk fried chicken? I don't know if you Google it. So parang it's very American. Anyway, we don't have much buttermilk. So what I do is I mix sour cream and milk. So I'm using the same container ko sa inyong sour cream. And then look at the, hindi siya punong-puno. So there's more sour cream. And then I'm just gonna add the milk. So we're mixing it up there. And then all the seasonings, dyan ko rin ilalagay. Okay? Tapos, I will put it in the ref. Let it stand there for at least, ideally overnight, but we don't have overnight. So I hope this works. This is actually garlic powder, no? So I'm just putting the seasonings. Tingnan mo, naninigas na yung aming ano. That's what we're trying to do. Mix it well. This is onion powder. We're just gonna mix it all up. I just wanna make sure na medyo nag-disintegrate na yung ating onion powder. Okay, and then I'm just gonna put some salt. Just gonna add some salt. So there, dinudurog ko lang. So if you're gonna ask me if milk and cream will work, probably you will have to squeeze probably like a teaspoon worth of lemon para mag-work yung buttermilk, no? Kasi it's normally thicker, so that's what we're doing. So I'm just gonna be adding some rosemary, fresh rosemary. Kung wala fresh, okay lang You can do it dried. I just wanted to add an extra layer of flavor. There you go. Yan. There. And then, I'm gonna put it here. Just to add more flavor. There. And then this one, ibababad lang natin for about 8. I'm not sure. So there. So kailangan naka-soak talaga siya. Yan. 3, 4, 5, 6. So there you go. This one, I will just cover it and put it in the ref. Okay. So i-ref lang natin to. And while that's there, we're gonna do our gravy. Okay? So now that the chicken is there, we have to do our chili honey and gravy. Tigpitin lang natin to. So napakadali lang. Honey and gravy. Basically, you know, when you're doing plated service, like what I said nga, diba? What we're doing is plated service. Ibig sabihin, hindi naka-buffet, ipe-plating ko talaga. What makes it hard is you have to prepare everything in advance. Yung meaning ready to, tawag nila sa kitchen, ready to assemble. So, konti lang siya kasi ano lang naman, to drizzle. Yung honey yan. I'm just gonna mix it all up. Naku, talagang halatang last year pa, Talagang compact na compact. Then we're gonna do the gravy. So I'm mixing it up na. I bought okoy. No, I bought okoy from a market, the usual market that I buy. And then the okoy, we're gonna make salad with that. No, yung salad. Tapos somebody gave me pomelo, so we're gonna do that. And then carbonara. So sounds simple yung carbonara, but gusto ko lang artehan. No, so that's why we're doing a lot of prep work. So ito lang siya. I just mix the oil. So that becomes our honey chili. No? So it's our honey chili, which I will add and drizzle later on sa ating fried chicken. Later on na yan. So now, still for the fried chicken, we're gonna do the gravy. Let's go! With this one, we need butter. There you go. Butter to thicken it. So basically, what I'm doing is I am making a roux. So when you say roux, it's actually butter and flour that you mix together. So magtithicken yung ating sauce easily. With roux, one of the reasons, I'm not sure, maybe I'll be corrected by the culinary schools. I haven't taught in culinary school in a long, long time. Maybe they will correct me, but you know, for me, there's a blonde one and a little bit of brownish. Kasi nga, since I am gonna make it into a gravy, I want it to be a bit brownish. Chicken, nice chicken cubes, and I'm gonna put in water. And this one, I'm gonna add also a little bit, some garlic. I'm just gonna add here a little bit, no? So parang may konting garlicky taste. I'm gonna add in it with the roux. So if you look at this consistency, that is totally the wrong roux. It means it needs to be thicker. Means I need more flour. No? So obviously, it's totally wrong. Okay, then there you go. Here. See? There. It's supposed to be parang paste-like. Yeah, there you go. See? The consistency should be like. This one, it's the perfect texture already. Pero, ang ginagawa natin is, we're waiting for it to be a bit brownish para it's not so bland. If not, normally, if hindi ko mahabol, may mga soy sauce na medyo hindi masyadong matapang, pero very, very dark siya. So that's what I use just for coloring. So this one, I'm gonna add this, the water. And the chicken bouillon. Yan. So, nimix lang natin siya. At syempre, medyo maalat na siya, di ba? Because of the chicken bouillon. Or sometimes I add more seasoning. Secret of the stars. Walang restaurant aamin nun. But I swear, it solves a lot of things. I love Knorr seasoning. Especially with scrambled eggs in the morning. But I admit it, I don't have a restaurant. I put Knorr seasoning. So we're waiting for it to boil. So if you look at it, it's still very blonde. Blonde, as in, hindi blanda, blonde. Meaning color yellowish siya. So, hindi siya attractive. We want it to be brownish. So, we wait for it to boil a bit. And then while we're doing that, I'm just gonna add some pepper. Para medyo peppery. Kasi, kanina, wala tayo masyadong na-add na pepper sa ating chicken. No? So, look at it, no? It's getting thicker na, oh. Tingnan mo, oh. See? That's the roux. Very thick na siya, pero still very yellow, 'di ba? So I'm just gonna add water para hindi siya ganun ka-thick because magti-thicken pa to. Ayan. And again, secret of the stars. Ayan. For taste. Pero tingnan mo siya, oh, hindi pa rin siya brown na brown. Ayan. Just for the color, okay? It's really not to add saltiness, but hinahabol ko lang yung color. There you go. So now, I'm just gonna add more water. Yan. So this is ready, and we're just gonna leave it here to cool down for later. Okay? Let's go. So this one, the fried chicken, I marinated it in sour cream and butter, di ba? So, we were hoping na dapat 6 hours, no? But I think in total mo, mga 4 hours, no? So, we were able to marinate the chicken in 4 hours. So, we're just waiting to heat up. And then, we're gonna do our chicken. So, this one, this is our marinated chicken. Wait for it to be boiling. So right now, what we're trying to do is to do two things. Our carbonara last minute, and we're gonna do our chicken na didrizzle natin with chili honey. Four minutes, we flip it. Making sure it's very crispy. 1 more minute. So 10 minutes each to.
Ang masarap.